everyone, welcome to 7 Spice Life. I'm your host Lisa, and today we are making a quick 20-minute sheet pan chicken dinner. It's a harissa spice chicken, and it's going to be served with cauliflower and some roasted carrots. The way we're going to spice everything is amazing, and I also have some sauces and salad recipes that you can use with this recipe or for whatever you'd like. Be sure to click that subscribe button and the alerts so that you know whenever I have a tasty new recipe waiting for you. Cover the chicken with plastic wrap so you don't make a mess, pounding it out to about a ½ an inch in thickness. Add your chicken to a bowl and then add your spices accordingly. Mix the marinade in the chicken thoroughly and then cover and refrigerate until you're ready to roast. Let's make some cauliflower. Place the chicken on a lined baking sheet. Add the carrots to one side of the sheet. Season with oil, salt, and pepper, and give it a little toss to combine. Then add the cauliflower to the other side of the baking sheet and it's ready to bake for 20 minutes at 425. Let's make some zoog, a spicy Yemeni hot sauce that you can serve alongside the chicken. Add all the ingredients to a food processor and pulse it a couple of times. Next, you'll add your spices and some lemon juice and salt and pepper to taste. Pulse it a couple times and then add about 1/8 cup of olive oil. Pulse it well and then continue to scrape down the sides of the bowl and add just enough olive oil to reach the consistency you want. That's it, your zoog's ready to go, and you can serve it as is for a spicy kick or mix into some Greek yogurt for an awesome flavorful dip. Now let's make our turmeric aioli. Add the mayo, spices, garlic, and vinegar and mix well to combine. Season to taste with salt and pepper and you're all set. Right before our sheet pan chicken dinner's ready, we're going to make one last salad, and that's our onion sumac salad. Add 1 large thinly sliced red onion to a bowl with some olive oil, lemon juice, and sumac, and stir in some cilantro and parsley, and that's it. You are done. Now we are ready to serve our sheet pan chicken dinner, and it's a lovely, quick meal ready in just about 20 minutes. Look at that baby. Yum! Wasn't that so super easy? I'm so glad you stayed to watch, and I hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a like and comment, and please let me know what other recipes you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.